In which medium is the speed of sound the least? Sound travels slowest in gases because the molecules are widely dispersed, resulting in less frequent collisions to transmit vibrations. This low density and high compressibility of gases significantly reduce the velocity of sound waves compared to other states of matter. What describes the sound produced by stones underwater? Sound travels through water, but the density and viscosity of the liquid attenuate the sound waves compared to air. This results in a muffled sound that lacks the intensity and clarity of sound heard in the atmosphere. How does temperature affect the velocity of sound in air? The velocity of sound in air is directly proportional to the square root of its absolute temperature. As temperature rises, air molecules move faster and collide more frequently, allowing sound waves to propagate more quickly through the medium. Velocity increases with rising temperature because the kinetic energy of the air molecules increases. Temperature is a primary factor affecting sound speed in gases, unlike in solids where its impact is less pronounced. Velocity is directly proportional to the square root of temperature, not inversely proportional. Sound waves are represented as having what kind of nature in a medium? Sound waves are longitudinal waves because the particles of the medium vibrate back and forth in the same direction that the wave energy travels. This movement creates alternating regions of high pressure called compressions and low pressure called rarefactions within the medium. What is the definition of sound intensity? Sound intensity is a physical quantity measured in watts per square meter that quantifies the power of the sound wave crossing a unit area. It is an objective measurement of the energy flow, unlike loudness, which is a subjective human perception. Which characteristic of a sound wave dictates how often it repeats itself in terms of distance? Wavelength is the distance between successive identical parts of a wave, such as from crest to crest or trough to trough. It represents the spatial period of the wave, indicating how often the wave pattern repeats in terms of distance. A sound level above 120 decibels is considered what? Sound levels are measured in decibels, dB, and levels above 120 decibels are classified as extremely loud and can cause physical pain or hearing damage. This threshold is often associated with jet engines or rock concerts. A. Pitch is determined by the frequency of the sound wave, not its decibel level. B. Intensity is directly proportional to the decibel level, so 120 decibels represents very high intensity. D. Soft sounds have low decibel ratings, typically below 30 to 40 decibels. What specific characteristic of sound involves its bouncing off surfaces? Reflection of sound occurs when sound waves strike a surface and bounce back into the same medium, following specific physical laws. This phenomenon is the principle behind echoes and is utilized in technologies like sonar and ultrasound. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Goshen for more.